Imagine a world where your home never goes dark, even during a blackout. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how solar generators can make this a reality. Whether you're living off the grid or need a reliable backup power supply, solar generators offer a green and effective solution. In today's connected world, backup power is critical for keeping phones, laptops, and other devices running. But did you know solar generators are also being used to power critical medical devices like CPAP machines? Without adequate power, sleep apnea treatments can become dangerous. Solar generators provide a lifeline. For years, gas, diesel, and propane generators have been the go-to for home power backup. They're cheap, easy to maintain, and widely available, but they come with significant drawbacks. Gas generators require a constant supply of fossil fuels, which costs money and isn't sustainable. In contrast, solar generators run on the power of the sun, 100% renewable, free, and reliable. Noise is another issue with gas generators. They're loud and disruptive. Solar generators, on the other hand, are completely silent, offering peace and quiet. Burning fossil fuels emits harmful CO2 and carbon monoxide, making gas generators dangerous in enclosed spaces. In contrast, solar generators produce no exhaust or emissions, making them safe to use indoors. With solar generators, you can have a free, renewable, and reliable backup power supply for your home. Solar generators have evolved from expensive DIY projects to user-friendly, affordable solutions. While the initial cost of a solar generator is higher than a gas generator, the long-term benefits are worth it. Today, you can choose from dozens of solar generators designed for home power and standby backup. Which one is the best? Let's explore some of the top options available today. For home power backup and integration, the Renogy Lycan 5000 PowerBox stands out with its high power output. The EcoFlow Delta Mini is perfect for smaller needs, supplying 1400 watts of power and fast AC charging. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Pro is a versatile option with 2200 watts of power output and a large capacity battery. For even more power, the EcoFlow Delta Pro offers 3600 watts of output and expandable battery capacity. Need 5000 watts to keep your power tools and major appliances going? The BlueTee AC500 is your go-to, with super fast charging and multiple outlets. For powering 240-volt appliances, the BlueTee EP500 Pro provides a massive 5100 watt-hours of battery capacity and fast charging. The .0 Energy Titan offers unlimited capacity expansion, making it highly customizable and suitable for whole home backup power. To keep your electronics topped up, the Jackery Explorer 500 is lightweight and proven solutions for charging phones, laptops, and tablets. The EcoFlow Delta Max Solar Panel Kit with 200-watt solar panels is a complete portable power solution, ready to keep essential appliances powered indefinitely. And if you want to power your entire home, the Hysolus Apollo 5K is the first solar generator capable of doing so. Solar generators offer a clean, renewable backup power solution compared to gas generators. They're easy to set up, portable, and versatile, making them ideal for home use and outdoor adventures. Ready to make the switch to solar? Visit Solar Generator Guide to learn more about these and other affordable solar generator options.